What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over our friend Matic, currently sitting at 87 cents, up 7.3 on the day. Senior market cap of 7.52 billion, 24-hour volume 389 million. If you're new to Bitget, grab up to 8,000 in bonuses, or Bybit up to 30,000 in bonuses. You can email me your sign-up email, free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. So what I'm looking at for Matic, perfect bounce off our wave 2 pullback zone. So I think we're just completing the wave 3 5-wave move. So we pushed up in a wave 1, wave 2 pullback. This is a 3 4. We're just pushing up in a 5. To complete the wave 3, you'd see a wave 4 pullback, final wave 5, which will complete this wave 2 pullback and see continuation to the downside. As I said, I thought it was more likely that we would push back up into the normal range for a wave 2, which is exactly what happened. And then we'd look to come down in the wave 3. The only way to invalidate that is to come up and break this high of about 95 cents. But as of right now, we pushed up into the normal retracement zone. So potentially we'll be looking for a rejection. If we pop over to our next chart, we are watching this head and shoulders, the descending triangle. Obviously, we broke out to the upside. The technical target is $1.16. I do not think it will make it all the way up there. I think it will most likely, this will be a false breakout to the upside. And we'll roll over, fall back down into the pattern, and then see the continuation down. Because what we're looking for here for the price of Matic is that we're coming down in a wave C, which will take you down to the 40 to 50 cent range. Of course, anything can happen, but it would follow my price targets for Bitcoin. And I think that's what's likely to play out. So looking at the price of Ethereum, we've already pushed past our normal retracement zone for this wave 2 pullback, because what we're looking at here is coming down in the wave A of the wave 5. So unless, as I had mentioned here, this was the wave A, this is a B, and then you come down to a C. I think what we're doing here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into an A, three-wave move into a B, and then come down in that wave C. We'll have to see how that plays out, but as of right now, for the price of Ethereum, if it pushes up, then it would invalidate this as a 5-wave impulse if it comes up and it breaks this price target here of about 1349. If that were to happen, what I'd probably be looking at here is that the wave 4 never completed. So instead of having the wave 4 top here, what you're looking at is basically, because it's a 3-wave move and an ABC, I would probably look at all of this being a wave A, and we pull back in a 3-wave move in a B, and currently you're pushing up in that wave C to complete the wave 4. That is if we break 1349, which would invalidate a 1-2 setup. Then potentially that's what I would be looking at, is that the wave 4 is not complete yet, and we're going to push higher in a wave C. So if we break 1349, that will be the wave count I'll be focused on for ETH. As you can see, we have had multiple fake outs to the upside out of this downward sloping channel. 1, 2. Potentially, we could be looking at a third. I don't think the bottom is in for the markets. I do think Ethereum will come down and put that lower low in a wave 5. But we'll have to see how everything plays out. I still think we have a good couple more months of bear market before things start to really turn around. But of course, any of us can be wrong. It's just my opinion, not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor, just a young guy from Canada. So in the short term, for Matic, we've pushed up to our wave 2 zone, but I do think we're just completing the wave 3, which is here in yellow. Complete the wave, have a wave 4 pullback, push up in the wave 5 to complete the larger wave 2, and potentially get rejected in between this zone here, in between 84 and 89 cents. We've already broken above 84 cents before potentially coming down in the 3, 4, 5, which will complete the larger wave 3, wave 4 pullback, put in the final wave 5, which would complete the wave 2, and potentially start to push up in a wave 3 in a bull market, because what we're looking at here is that potentially the bottom is already in, and we've basically pushed up in a wave 1, and right now we're going through an ABC correction into a 2 before pushing up into 3, 4, 5. And really starting to take off here for Matic. All right, gang, that's it for this one. Sign up to either Bybit or Bitget. Grab those bonuses and email me your sign-up email. I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. See here, they like to post all types of analysis and different kinds of updates, and you can have completely free access if you sign up to one of the exchanges. Email me your sign up email, and at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis signals. You can see what I'm doing with my HODL alt plays for 10 bucks a month. Sign up through the Patreon link, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.